this is the cheapest cleaner that I know. You know, I mean, shoot, for $2 or so, we can get a gallon of gasoline for cleaner. That lasts me quite a while. You know, so it's obvious that's really good. There we go, not bad. A lot nicer now. Ah. Yeah. There we go. A lot cleaner than I was. Put the crank shaft in there. So I guess the gearbox is next, and it doesn't look too bad. I wonder what's going to be inside this gearbox. I should actually go ahead and see if I can take off, see if there's any oil in here left. There is something in here, but I don't think it's oil anymore. It feels more like water. On these little gearboxes and stuff, what you do is you put in a very thin amount of oil. That's what I like to do. Okay. Okay, YouTubers, that is it. I need to go ahead and go. It looks like my battery is going out on my camcorder here. So this is part one of this scooter stuff that I'm doing. I'm basically doing the whole thing. I had to go ahead and take it apart and clean it and put it back together and stuff. I hope you like this video and stuff. I know I'm not the best. I'm going to try and cut out a lot out of this video and stuff, of a lot of just, not doing anything, just, working, try to put in more, make it a little bit shorter and stuff. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you feel that if you learned something, or, or if you really like it, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Press that button, give me a thumbs up. If this is your first time watching me and stuff, and you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe. That I would greatly appreciate it. And also, go ahead and keep on watching the rest of my videos. I'll basically just take this guy apart and clean it out and everything on my next video, as soon as I get my battery charged up and stuff. And I will see you later, YouTubers. And you have a good day. And remember guys, if the girls don't find you handsome, at least they can find you handy. All right, thank you guys.